Hello guys, this is Bhupender Singh and welcome back to my MicroStrategy Administrator course, and this is the third video, and I'm going to start uh, this video with our chapter 1, which is a introduction of MicroStrategy. All right, let's continue. So this course gonna help you understand and develop the skills to work with MicroStrategy intelligence platform and administer its critical components in an intelligent enterprise. The intelligent enterprise, what is the intelligent enterprise? That is a data-driven organization that design and implement business intelligence solution effectively while promoting efficient use of data across your enterprise. So requires and require the right tools and the structure to balance rationally counteractive forces. Those are the agility and governance, convenience and security, ease of use, and enterprise functionality. All critical capabilities that the MSTR platform is positioned to support with its unique intelligence architecture. That is a successful enterprise always must compete with the below with the following, like the drive adoptions and success of enterprise analytics, coordinate analytic implementation, maintain sound data governance, and a single version of the truth, while supporting personal feature-rich data discovery, and it provides a formal approach to documenting and the process, creating content, and performing ongoing maintenance. Ensure that, and it also ensure that analytic solution is aligned with enterprise strategy. Okay, and now move to MSTR intelligence platform. What is the platform we have? So MSTR intelligence platforms that empowers organization to analyze vast amount of data, offer tangible solutions to business queries, build data visualization, like you can create the dossier dashboard documents. So you can create like that visualization based on the data provided by your client and ingested into your data source. And MST are going to grab those data, and based on them, it's going to build the data visualization, and it enable users to share their insights anywhere and anytime. So the word anywhere and anytime, it's referring because referring to the MSTR. You can configure the MSTR. They have the some tools, so you can install and configure the MSTR on mobile. You can configure on Mac system. So whether you are within your organization environment network or not, you can still uh, so the data visualization in front of your client. So the MSTR intelligence platform architecture includes all the required component to support an organization analytics need, from self-service reporting through creating enterprise applications for a complete analytics workflow. These component includes metadata repositories. This is the very important, and we are uh, gonna we work a lot of with these metadata repositories. Okay, so there are some components which are very crucial components in the MSTR and must be configured in the proper way and in rightly manner. So the metadata repositories and the server required to assemble the metadata objects and provide core analytical processing power for any type of analytics application. The client through which users request and receive reports, from business analysts to developers and administrators, the tool to define and manage the analytic infrastructure. All right, so let's go through this intelligence platform, and we this is the whole MSTR, and we definitely not going to cover all the features in this course, but let me go through. This is first one is the security. Of course, the security is a major concern, and that is the main job role of for any administrator, whether they are the BI admin, they are the AD admin, I mean the domain admin, or any kind of admin, even the DBA or IIS admin. So the security is the main concern for any organization. So you are gonna you are going to work with library users, how to create the users, how to manage the users, and how to assign the permissions correctly, and create the groups, badges, privileges, permissions, roles, and security filters. So these all are we are going to cover in this course. All right, so let's move to the second one, that is the application. Though the application basically is covered in the analyst course tutorial, and but let me tell you the first one, that is the dossier, and then the dashboard, then document, distribution, custom, web service, and data service. So you can dossier, the MSTR dossier is very awesome tool. They provide you the drag and drop facility. You can quickly create a dossier on the base of your raw data. Even you can they provide you the 100 plus data source you can connect, and you can import the data from 100 plus data source, and you can quickly build the dossier. It won't take much time. Another one is the data. So data discovery, data linkage, and data sets, cubes, and data metrics. So we are going to cover few of them from the data. Another one is the schema. Schema basically like the models, what's the attributes, what kind of metrics, templates, filters, visualization, prompts, forms, and the pages. Though few of them gonna be covered in the analyst, and few of them is the architect certifications. Okay, and then let's move to the application services. All right, so another one is the application services. So under the application services, there are a lot of features like the intelligence, analytics, transaction, distribution, telemetry, identity, collaboration, geospatial, and we are going to cover in this course. All right. And then last but not least, that is the platform services. The how to optimize the connectivity, multi-source connection, parallel processing, multi-node server clustering, caching, failover, compute elasticity, driver gateway, and platform analytics. This is the very crucial part for any administrator. You must know all all of these, and no worries, we are going to cover in this course all of them. So now let's move to next slide. So any administrator, and they any administrator, whether you are the BI admin, the domain admin, or the DB admin, so you can you can broken the broken the areas into the different areas, like security always be there, whether whatever application you are going to use, or whatever application already you are being used. Okay, so the one is the security, then the application, how to manage the application, what kind of data, how to manage the data, integrity, data integrity, and a lot of things. So MSTR intelligence platform, you can be broken down into the following areas. Though the following areas, they can be for any, I believe that any applications, whether you are the domain admin. So still, there are the security, application, data schema, application service and platform, whether you are the IS admin, whether you are the DBA, and whatever profile you are in, and these these are the areas which you can be broken down your application, right? So for to understand the process. So these are for the MSTR, like security, application, data, schema, application service, and the platform as a MSTR database. As an MSTR admin, you are going to manage all of these, like the security in MSTR, application in MSTR, and data integrity, and like the schema. Though you have not to work a lot of with the schema is basically something which is going to manage by your architect in your company. And then the application services and the platform. As an administrator, let's take a few minutes to become aware of the following client and administrative products and tool which you will be managing, connecting to your organization data. First is the data source. Of course, the data source, if there are no data source, you are not going to be manage anything. And the BI tool, they are not going to produce anything, because the BI tool, they are They are basically to produce the data visualization, data insight in quickly and effective manner, right? So if there are no data source, no data, and BI tool is useless. So first is the data source. So at the foundation of the MSTR analytics platform architecture is your data. MSTR can connect to a spectrum of data sources such as user departmental data like the spreadsheet, small database, or even the text file. ERP, CRM, and web applications such as Salesforce, Facebook.com, Wikipedia.com, and any sites you can connect with them also. And the multidimensional data source, relational data source, and data warehouse appliances. Even you can connect with the no relational database. It's not limited with only the relational database. So MicroStrategy high performance technology support fast queries on the large data sets so that you can get the data very quickly. Okay, and the intelligence server can efficiently pull data from the source that specialize in handling petabyte of data like Hadoop, or those that provide near real-time data like SAP HANA. In the dossier below, the line on the left in the data pane, let me this is the dossier. If you will enroll and you will go with the MSTR analyst course, you have to prepare this kind of the dossier which we have mentioned in our earlier video also. So in the dossier below, the lines on the left in the dataset pane show where individual objects are being pulled from the various data source into a. So these are our data source. This is the sales slash spark. This is our data sets. You can see this is under the data sets, and we have imported these data source uh, under this data set, and we are going to use revenue metrics, begin on hand metrics, and we are also using the order count metrics, and we are also using the month attributes. Okay, and based on them we have created this KPI visualization dashboard. It's really awesome. Okay, let's user-friendly data access. So this is the first part, the data import. You should aware how to import the data into the MSTR. So MSTR takes things a step further with data import, a tool that enables users to quickly and independently import data from a wide variety of sources, including spreadsheet, databases, social data, cloud sources, warehouses, appliances, SaaS, or web service, and a lot of things, a lot of sources you can import the data. So data imports also makes the task of building a schema quick. It enables users to combine data from multiple sources into a single data easily. So with data import, a single business analyst can use MSTR Web to jump from loading a data set into MSTR to building an interactive visualization representation or dossier in a minute. Okay, and mapping reporting objects to data source, the metadata database. So the MicroStrategy metadata database contains information that enables MSTR applications to retrieve and display data from data sources. The metadata stores MicroStrategy object definitions and maps on MSTR objects to the data source structure and content. All MSTR analysis, development, delivery, and administrator applications can share a common metadata in your environment. And MSTR application use the metadata to translate user requests into queries and to translate the result of those queries back into MSTR objects such as reports and documents. So you can understand what is the metadata and what is the crucial role of metadata into this MSTR BI tool. We will look into in deep what is the metadata, how to create the metadata for our project. All right, and thank you guys for, and we will meet you in the next video. Thank you.